Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Semantics video session 267. So basically in today's video, we will actually try to completely solve the scenario one with the help of recipe. Of course, we already understood that, this was the resultant table which we need. And also we understood the fact that how via co-group that wouldn't be possible because it creates a bag. And the problem is like, for example, this Accenture, we won't be able to get it in the row O3. Like for the OppId, we won't be able to map that Accenture because co-group, as we have already understood, like here of course we have mentioned in this particular sheet as well, that it basically fixes meaning but is a recipe which helps us to fix the structure. It cannot create rows because we need to create rows for that, right? And at the end of the day, it's a grouping engine, SAQL, I mean the co-group part. Okay, so here we definitely need the help of recipe so that we can actually get this particular Accenture two times in two particular rows. Okay, now how to go about that? So what we will do is we will create a recipe. Of course, we will go to data manager. Now, if you see this table here, we definitely understand that, opportunity partner map and partner referrals, we can do a lookup join based on partner ID. That is completely fine. So we will get all these particular rows. Now, why I'm taking lookup with left table being opportunity partner so that I can get the all the related op ID. Okay. Now, once I can get the op ID, right? Of course, I will get the partner name as well because when I'm doing a lookup, the partner name will come separately. For example, for O1, you will have the partner name Accenture. For O2, it will be Deloitte. For O3, it will be Accenture once again. And for O7, it will be Infosys. So this way, the row will be created, one additional row will be created. And after that, I will just do a lookup with this particular opportunity. That's it. So once I do a lookup, I will get all the partner map. I can like uh, skip or just drop all the particular columns and just keep the columns which are needed. Okay, so that's the thing. Basically, I'll be joining all the opportunities partner reference and opportunity partner map, and after that, of course, we will do the all the other necessary things on cogroup. So here I'm just utilizing recipe to just fix the structure, nothing else. At the end of the day, the solution is something we are going to do on the SAQL only. Like we could have done this complete scenario one on the recipe itself. That could have been done. Okay. But since I'm teaching you this concept of co-group, the concept of SAQL, we are dealing with the subtopic SAQL. So that's why I'm trying to do more scenarios, solve many more scenarios on the SAQL only. But as I mentioned, for this particular scenario, we need to do certain structure. We need to fix the structure, and that's why we need to take the help of recipe. After that, whatever things the SAQL or the co-group can do, we are going to go via that method to solve the scenario one. Okay. Now, I think I already clicked on the data manager and I will just go to this recipe. I will just click on new recipe. We'll click on add input data. And here I will just select the opportunity sales. No, sorry, not opportunities. Yeah, opportunity sales lifecycle. Okay. I have only two columns, which is fine, right? It's completely fine. The two columns. Then I will select the opportunity partner map and I will select the partner referral. We have only two columns each one. So now I will click on next. Now, as I mentioned, first we have to do a lookup on partner referrals and opportunity partner map with partner opportunity partner map being on the left side. So I'm doing a join. We'll go for lookup. Partner referrals is fine. And here it will be partner name, partner ID and partner ID, right? So here I'm just going to go for partner ID, partner ID. That's completely fine. I'm going to write the name as partner referrals. Okay, that is also the API name will be partner referrals for the right columns. So that's completely fine. I'm clicking on apply. And I will just give the proper name, of course. Why the partner is not coming? Let's check what's the issue. So here I have this. I'm going for a lookup. Here the partner name and partner ID should have come. Okay, somehow I didn't take that particular ID properly. click on add partner reference. Let me click on apply this time. And here, of course, just let me write join opportunity. And this part is done. Then the next part will be to join this opportunity sales life cycle with this being on the left side, and we will again do a lookup on this case. Okay. So here I will just take this part over here, click on join. Okay, before doing that, we discard the change, that is fine. Here you can see right on the preview tables that how we have already fixed the structure. So if you see, the Accenture is coming 2 times right now. Okay, so for each of the OppId we are getting the related partner name. At last we can drop the unnecessary fields which are not needed, but as of now the structure is already fixed. Now I'm just joining with the main table so that for O3 I get the Accenture over here itself. Okay, uh now one more thing I could have done. Yeah, that's fine. One more thing I was thinking was maybe with here, I think I could have also joined the data set because I'm already getting the Accenture in different rows. So if I do a co-group, it won't be an issue at that time because for O1 and O3, I'm anyhow having a different partner name right now. But anyways, we can also just, join with this as well. So here, what I will do is I will just take this particular thing over here, click on join, just write join, join opportunity, sales life cycle, and opportunity partner. That's it. I'm going for lookup OppId is equal to OppId. That is completely fine. Here I can just write opportunity partner map. That is also fine. And now if I open this, you can see it's already fixed. So for O1, O2, O3, O4, I'm having the op name. And basically I'm having the proper partner name as well. Okay. So that is done. And I can just drop all these fields. So I can drop this OppId partner. I can drop all the partner IDs and the OppId because the thing was that I just needed the OppId and the partner. I can keep one of the partner ID. That is also fine. But yeah, I can definitely drop one particular OppId and one partner ID. So I will just remove some unnecessary fields. So I will go to transform node. Let's say I want to drop this particular field. This will mistake. This one, not some mistake. This one. Now here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this op ID. I will go to this drop columns. Of course, I'm dropping this one as well as I will drop one of the partner ID. Maybe I can drop this one. That is fine. Okay. Click on apply. So I'm just having one of the partner IDs and the partner name, the op name and op ID, right? So I can just write over here drop unnecessary columns. Finally, I can just write opportunities with partners attached. So this will be a data set where I'm going to write opportunity with partners attached, something like that. Right? And of course, I will save it in my SAQL app. Here also, I will write the same. Good. That's it. Save. And finally, the recipe is ready for me. Okay. I can definitely refresh the preview and I can just give the name for Maybe the same name for this as well. What's the error? Unable to read. That is fine. Not an issue. I can just click on save and run. So just wanted to show. Okay, let me just click on save and run as of now. The recipe name is past attached, something like I have in the word recipe. Okay, let me click on save. So meanwhile it's running, we will just quickly walk through this whole recipe, the whole recipe which we have built right now. So I have taken the partner reference and the opportunity partner map, right? We can already see this table over here, opportunity partner map. I have taken the opportunity partner map on the left side and I went for a lookup join. Okay. So with lookup, you can easily see over here, we have segregated the partner name differently. Okay. So 01, 02, 03, 07, which is fine. 01, 02, that's what I needed. And finally, what I did is I did a join with the opportunity life cycle where opportunity sales life cycle has been taken on the left because that is the main table for me, right? I need that particular table because I need all the information from there. And I can see that the partner name is now properly mapped. So we were not able to see the results right over here in this scenario. Finally, we will get the result because right now I can see that the Accenture is mapped separately over there. Okay, so that's a good thing. And finally, I just named this field as opportunities partner attached and I just remove some of the unnecessary fields because I think just getting the OppId, op name and partner name is enough for me, right? Because that's what the question for the scenario one is that show all officially tried opportunities enriched with stage count, activity count, partner information. So for the stage count and activity count, I definitely need these two table, which is fine. But the partner information I already got, and I already have the opportunities, all the OppId from the main table of opportunities. So now, of course, we can just monitor the recipe and check. So let me just the jobs monitor. Let me refresh. I think this ran successfully. That's great thing. Now what we will do is we will actually take the reference of this because at the end of the day, I mean the code is more or less same for what we covered. Okay, so that's not an issue. So here I will take the reference on this and I will just create the new one. So firstly, let me search in the browse section. Opportunities partner attach. I need this one. Now what I'm going to add is I'm going to add the stage and activity, of course. So I will just add the stage and activity. Okay, let me move to SAQL. So yeah, I already have everything over here. Just name it properly as ABC maybe. Good. Let me just save this one. We can work on the SAQL part. Okay. So we already fixed the recipe. The recipe part is done. So let me just name it as scenario one as of now. Okay. So that's not an issue. We will just continue on this one. I will save it in my SAQL app itself. Okay. And let me just save it. Fine. So yeah, we'll continue on the next video on what we exactly need to write on the SAQL. Okay. So that is fine. We will just continue that part. So yeah, that's it about this. And yeah, let's meet very soon in our next one.